What's up, guys? Good morning to you. Today we got a doozy for you. We're going to take a look at WeRide. It is a Chinese autonomous, essentially like getting in an Uber, but it drives itself. It's out of the Guangdong province where I used to live, South China, and you get a face full of NVIDIA logo when you first open their website. They want you to know about that. But it's easy to get on these beautiful websites and get caught up in all the feelings and get all warm and fuzzy inside. But let's just look at the chart. I made this parallel channel. I feel like I might have been kind of grabbing at straws. I picked some up after it put in this candle the other day because I felt like it was going to bounce, but now we got sideways consolidation, which some of you in the know if this holds up for another couple days, even now, this is bearish. So when you have down and it goes flat, that usually means more down. Unless you get a close above the body of this one right here, unless you get a close above the body of this, that's the only thing that would negate this big red candle here. So usually go sideways, bam, down some more. So I'm probably going to drop it, but let's just take a look, because I think long term it does have upside. You see, somebody thought it had upside up here, and then ouch. So let's just look at the near term for now. The first thing I notice is that when price action goes up, it stopped here, here, and here. So I'll just do that. Oh, look, they connect. And then what I normally do is just pull this baby out this way. And then you notice when price action reaches a low, gets down here. And see, this is a wick. So you can kind of sometimes take these a bit less seriously. Sometimes you want to go like this and bring it straight out, which this is the safe thing to do, by the way, in my personal opinion. But you can also do this and see where it goes. Right now, this is a little too much of an upward slope for my taste. But I mean, if you draw to the bottom of the wick right there, today is really going to be the test if you use this trend line. If you drop one here, try not to make these too long. These videos, if you drop one here and do it based on, well, damn, hard to see with that other line in there, and base it on the wick, John Wick. There you go. And then I'll draw that other one here just for what's in gigs. So you can kind of do that too. If you just connect these low points, like at some point it was here, right? Because you connected this and you connected this, and it broke below, and then it went back above, and then it broke below pretty viciously. So, now this is your lowest point. So you bring it up, you connect to that wick, and you see if it breaks below, then this line is pretty much cooked. You're probably, in all probabilities, heading down here. So we're going to keep an eye on it. Let's see, longer term, what else we have. I'll go down here. Oh my God, what did I do? Hit the wrong key. There's my palladium chart. One of my big wins of 2025, and I think it's going to continue to win in 2026, but WeRide. Is this what I want to do? Yep, it sure is. So we're going to bring it all the way out to here, and we're going to take this one. I don't know, but I'm going to delete that. I'll tell you what I'll do. We'll make a parallel and see if there's anything there. You can do this. Again, this command key kind of snaps to the top of whatever candle you're looking at. So this one, see? Maybe we're in a parallel channel, and this dotted line here in the middle is resistance. So maybe use this one. Yeah. And I mean, here we look again in the grand scheme of things. Now what do you got? Where's my damn arrow? It's over here. I'll tell you what, I used to watch people and make fun, like, oh, you don't know where your tools are? And then now you hit so many freaking buttons. Oh God, I'm going to redo this whole fucking video. This is the arrow that I want. Phew, man. All right. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and post this, and someday I'm going to look back at this video and laugh. So, down, across, this is basically just a giant effing bear flag. So, do that, zoom in. What do you got? Kind of makes me want to stay away from this thing. That's probabilities, you know, you never know. You could be in, it could go to the moon. If you're looking at this through a 5-10 year lens, then maybe you've got a different outlook than I do. If you're looking at the chart, seeing something I'm not, let me know. Other than that, guys, it's WeRide. I've got it for now. I might sell it depending on what happens today. Probably might get rid of it before 3. So have a good one. Trade well. Bye.